Hi, my name is Sandra and you're watching Micro Moments. Today's video is already part 2 of Strolling in Oslo, Norway. At tayo ay sisilip sa Opera House ng Oslo, Norway. Yes.
We'll take a look of the Opera House first instead of going inside the Ditchman. I miss Ditchman. The old Ditchman is my favorite library. I'm really looking forward to go inside the new Ditchman library. Way back 2012, 2013, I spend most of my time in Ditchman library. So instead of going to Ditchman, we'll take a look first at the Opera House. Lots of people would like to take a peek, take a look at the new library. Or maybe, like me, they also love to stay inside the library. Alright, so it's a nice place to visit as well. But we'll just take a look first outside the Opera House. The ladies, they take a walk up and down the stairs. Well, we will not do it this time, friends. It will be tiresome for me. But I've been up there already, way back 2012. Yeah, I've been here a lot of time already, here in Opera House. It's pretty much relaxing to just sit and relax here. That boat, it goes to Germany, goes to Kiel. This is not a sea water, friends. It is called fjord, Oslo Fjord. As you can see, it's pretty much relaxing here. I want to go to Ditchman to show you how it looks like, the new Ditchman library, but it was failed. We'll just go on the lobby part of the opera, not the opera itself. This is the opera house, and there is a restaurant. It's pretty much huge and relaxing to look at. If you check it out, it is made of wood inside here. And I usually take toilet breaks here. Because it's for free. still a long line. What time can we go inside? It's already past 12 noon.
Please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and bell buttons.